This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get an Excel sheet from a Google form. First, open your Google form and navigate to the Responses tab. You'll see a summary of all your submissions there. Next, look for the green Google Sheets icon, usually located near the top right of the Responses section. Click this icon, and a new Google Sheet will automatically open, displaying all your collected form data in an organized table. This is your first step to getting that data into Excel. Now that your data is open in Google Sheets, the next step is to download it as an Excel file. Go to the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down options, hover over Download. You'll then see several file formats. Select Microsoft Excel, XLSX to begin the download. Your browser will then download the spreadsheet directly to your computer, ready for you to open in Excel. It's that simple to get your data in the right format. Once your data is in Excel, you can start organizing and analyzing it effectively. Use Excel's powerful filter function to quickly sort through specific responses or criteria. For larger datasets, consider creating pivot tables to summarize information and identify trends with ease. Don't forget to format cells for currency, dates, or percentages to make your data more readable and professional. These tools will help you gain valuable insights from your form submissions. For more advanced uses, you can even automate data collection by linking new form submissions directly to your Excel file, ensuring your data is always up to date. Remember to share your Excel file securely with collaborators if you're working in a team, utilizing cloud storage options for easy access. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key, and this bottle is fantastic for on the go. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.